Hi guys, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another digital SATs type of a question in the topics of percent. Let's dive into it. There are three numbers in a set. One of the numbers, S, is 45% less than the sum of the other two numbers. If the sum of the three numbers is 465, what is the value of S? Now, we really want to be careful in these type of questions, so we're gonna mark. We have three numbers, one is given, one is 45% less than the sum of the other two numbers, and they all equal to 465. So we have S, and then two other numbers, we can name them if we want to. So X plus Y, I will say, equals to 145. Now it's at 45%. So one whole is 1, right? Minus 45% is 0.45. And then you just calculate that. Which is 0.55. And now I'm gonna find X plus Y, right? We want to find X plus Y. We will put up a parentheses. X plus Y. And then we have X plus 0.55Y plus X plus Y, right? And that equals to 165. And then we will simplify these, which is 1.55x plus 1.55y equals to 465. And now we're just gonna distribute again. Put up a parentheses, 1.55, open up parentheses, X plus Y equals to 465. And then we're gonna divide both sides by 1.55. They both cancel each other out, so we have X plus Y left equals to, you're allowed to use the calculator, by the way, 465 divided by 1.55 is 300. So X plus Y is 300. And then how to find S? Now S is S plus X plus Y, and then X plus Y, right? S plus X plus Y is 465. This can be a bit confusing. Focus. And X plus Y is 300. As we said, we take away 300 from 465, which is 165. That means S equals to 165. That's the solution to this given question. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you.